$500 with every single photo. As insane as it sounds, that's exactly what we're teaching you today. We're going to show you how you can start earning as much as $500 with a single image. And no, we won't be taking any photographs of our own, which means you won't even need to be a professional at anything. You don't need to be a designer, and you won't need any social media following whatsoever. This method is the easiest method ever. You can literally do this in less than 10 minutes. And that's all going to be thanks to our method for today. People from all over the world are already making money just like this from today's method. This will be doing literally all of the hard work for you without needing to put in hours of your day just to accomplish this. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. Now, our first website for today is called Adobe Spark. And to get to their website, you can just easily type in adobe.com/express. And that should take you to right here. This platform basically creates graphics, collages, flyers, videos, and animations that look professional in just a few taps. This website is going to be doing all of your work for you. But this isn't the platform that's going to pay us, alright? We're revealing that later on. As we were saying, this platform is what's going to do all of the work for you. And by that, we mean that this is where you're going to be able to get all of those photos get done for you so you can get paid hundreds of dollars for it by our second website. Now, this website is completely free, so don't even worry about paying anything to get the work done for you. It's literally free. Now, it's time for us to sign up, and to do so, just click on Start Now over here, and that should take you to this. You can continue with Google, Facebook, Apple, email, and we suggest that you just sign up with your email address just because it's always best to start from scratch. So now provide your email address, your first and your last name, password, date of birth, country and region, and as you can see, they have everything here from A to Z. Then hit on create account, and this is what the inside of your Adobe Spark account should look like. On this page is where you'll find all of the templates you'll ever need photo-wise to create the professional images in under 10 minutes that we were telling you about earlier. As you can see on here, you can create flyers, IG stories, IG posts, Facebook posts, collages, web pages, videos, and more. If you guys want to make even more money online, then make sure you check out our description box down below. We have an amazing free prize for you guys there. So make sure you check the description box down below to make even more money daily. Also, I want you guys to answer this question. What would you do as soon as you receive the total of $1,000? I'm just curious. And while you're at it, I want you to type in what country you come from and maybe what other videos you'd like to see in the future so that we can note them down. Now, let's pull up an example, and let's say that we want to design an Instagram post. So let's click on that, and then it'll take you to here where basically you'll find the template for it. And when we say template, we mean that it's already in the size that it's supposed to be if you were to make it an Instagram post. All you need is to make your design and all, but like we said, this also has ready-made designs for you, and you can actually see all of that here. You can easily just choose what design you want, and you can actually just save it as that if that's all you want, or if you want to customize a ready-made template, maybe change the colors or the design, even the words on the template you can change. You can basically change everything. So that means there are no limitations to this, which we think is pretty awesome. Once you're done with your design, just click on download on the upper right corner of your screen, and boom, there is your professional looking photo done under 10 minutes with barely any work. Let's be honest here. Now we're getting into our second website that's going to be our money making website, and that website is called designcrowd.com. And on this website, there are customers looking to pay designers hundreds of thousands of dollars to create professional looking photos or posts, and this website is the perfect website for that. As you can see, these people who are coming from different parts of the world are already earning thousands of dollars just by creating designing, which is crazy because what we did earlier, that's exactly it. And imagine earning thousands. All of the people you're seeing on our screen right now with this much money have put in so many hours of work just to be where they are now. But since we told you about Adobe Spark, you're going to get where they are now, maybe in like a month or two, but definitely not longer. Meaning you'll be earning 100 every single customer, which is crazy. You can literally finish a design in minutes and then send it to your customer from Design Crowd and then enjoy your profit. It's literally as easy as that. You can design logos to flyers to literally everything that Adobe Spark has to offer. You can apply for and submit so you can earn more and the most that you possibly can. So just make sure that you try this method out because, again, there is no harm in trying. You never know, this might be the best opportunity you've ever known and that you're ever going to know. You're not going to lose anything. In fact, you're going to earn something. Maybe a lesson learned or maybe money earned. And honestly, anything for that is worth it at this point. So do it, get your grind on, earn that $175 and live the life that you've ever so wanted for yourself so you can start doing what you want, when you want, and do everything what you've always wanted to do. Like and subscribe before going any further because it really helps the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll be kept updated on all of our videos. And we promise you, you won't regret it. You can also maybe comment down below what you guys are loving so far about today's video so we can read through them and maybe even respond to some. So go do that. And now we're gonna go ahead and finish up today's video. Now, just a short recap so that we will not forget. First step is to go on adobe.com/express, create an account, and then set it aside. Then you are going to the next website, which is Design Crowd. You're going to sign up, post a job listing, and then when someone avails your service, go back to adobe.com/express, make an Instagram post or make whatever it is that they avail of you. Make sure that you make it outstanding so that they'll even tip you above the $175 that you're already charging. And boom, enjoy that money and expect more customers, especially because you're gonna get a 5 out of 5 review on this one. Anyways, that's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.